In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create bulk designs using Canva. If you've ever had to manually create designs one by one and found it tedious, you're going to love this. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide that will help you streamline your design process and save you loads of time. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva project. Head over to Canva, and if you don't have a project already set up, create a new one by selecting a template that suits your needs. This is your chance to bring to life the design vision you've been thinking about. Once you have your canvas ready, the fun begins. Now on this blank page, you'll need to add a placeholder or a text field. Let's make it simple by typing the word example followed by a corresponding number. For instance, example 1, example 2, and so on. This will serve as a guide for what we'll be creating in bulk later. It's a good starting point to ensure everything is laid out properly before adding real data. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see an option named Apps. Click on it and use the search feature to find Bulk Create. Once you find it, go ahead and open it. This feature is a game changer for anyone needing to create multiple designs quickly. With the Bulk Create section open, click on Enter Data Manually. This will pop up a familiar spreadsheet interface. In the first column, type out the names you want to appear on your designs. For this tutorial, we'll use example, but feel free to use any names pertinent to your project. In the second column, you'll want to enter numbers or other data that corresponds to each name, perhaps table numbers if you're designing event place cards. Once you've entered your data, click on the Done button to save it. Now take a look at your design and right-click on the text field with the name. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Connect to Data. After doing that, you'll choose Name from the options provided. Repeat this process with the text field containing the number, but this time select Number when connecting the data. It's a seamless way to link your design elements with the data you've just entered. On the left, you'll now see the Bulk Create options ready and waiting. Hit Generate Designs and watch as Canva magically creates multiple designs based on the data you've provided. And just like that, after following these simple steps, you've effectively utilized Canva's Bulk Create tool to produce as many place cards or designs as needed. This method is incredibly efficient and is sure to save you time and effort on your next project. Enjoy your newfound creative freedom.